Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Actually, it's an 80 watt panel over here. I'm going to explain about this solar panel system, how it works. And actually I was using this one to my one of SUV vehicle in Dubai. So I was getting electricity through this 80 watt panel on the move while I was traveling, or I was doing camping over. So now since I'm transferred to here in Philippines, so it was with me and I was using and getting electricity at the poultry farm. But because of some other reason I just pulled it back from there and I fixed it over here. So it's a 80 watt generating power, and as you can see it, I fix it. Actually the ceiling, I just 8 mm board, I just open it and tie it with the aluminum wire, so all around, so it's well connected. And this is a bit little support over here. So that's it. So hope it can give me some backup during emergency power shutdown and we don't have power, so that I can run some small lights and small fan like 50 watt. So it will be very helpful and useful. And down I'm going to explain to you how I had connected to the battery, the 55 watt battery, which is quite enough actually. So as you can see that this is a panel board I had made it, so it still did not connect it to the solar, and this is a battery, so it's just need to be clean. And I'm thinking to make it this paint to make it protection. And then behind I have this one 500 watt inverter which is directly connected to the battery, 55 ampere. As you can see it, 55 12 volt ampere battery. So it's good enough for the small backup. And I had connected already this system. This long time back I had actually made it, so I had some 12 volt also here, so I can access it if I may need it. So finally this is my solar backup system, the controller, so it's getting charged full. And I had connected the car outlet charging, so I can charge my mobiles. So here we go. And on the other side I have this one inverter, so it can give me the AC power. So this is my cooler. All right, so I'm just going to play my this cooler. So I'm getting from the power, so as you can see that it's dropped to 13.3. so at least like couple of hours when I don't have the power backup, so I can use my this, and probably I can use my one of the PC in emergency. So thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy.